Hello Mayhem Makers, I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem and welcome to the Alchemy Sew Along. Today I'm just going to talk the basics of what the sew along is so you get an understanding of what's going to occur for the next 12 months, because now you've signed up and you're wondering what do you do. So month number 1, you should have gotten this huge kit and that may have scared you. So this is just what the quilt looks like, and yes, you're going to use all these pieces, all right? But don't worry. It's going to take a whole year of using up a lot of these pieces. I will get to videos where I'm going to show you how to take the fabric, the template, the papers, what to do with them, but for this video purpose, we're just going to give you the lowdown of everything that's in the kit and what you're going to do. So you get this huge guide. I love that they like blew up the instructions so you can actually see the fabrics, the designs, the colors. So this is your fabric guide. And then each month you have your color guide. So month 1, you're going to have the fabrics. It's got your fabric guide and your layout. So you're just going to follow the instructions that it tells you, essentially, that however many of each piece that you're going to put together. And there will be videos showing you how to do that. All right. And then it just gives you more info. And if you want to do your own fabric, so say you want to add different fabric in, go for it. If you want to completely recolorize the entire quilt, that's what that's there for. Or maybe you're going to make a second one and do that. More power to you. But pretty much what's going to happen is each month you're going to just create pieces and parts, start creating rows, and we're just then going to start filling across. Your fabric's fairly simple. You're just going to trim them, baste them, sew them together. All right, and in the end you're going to have this beautiful quilt. All right, some tips of what I do. Each month I have just a smaller version of the sheet kind of printed out so I can tuck it in. I kind of create a monthly kit where I have the hexes that I've prepared. So I go through, I cut the hexes out of the fabric, and I then baste them, and that way I have them ready to stitch and go with me wherever I go. So if I go on a car ride, on a plane, any of those things, I can just grab and go my kit and stitch anywhere I want. Kids' games, doctor's offices, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of how I plan things. And like this is my month 1. I had month 2, so I could work on it where I was going. You're just going to need basic supplies. You'll need some snips. I have kind of scissors on a lanyard. That's where I park my needle. You can use embroidery needles, Milner needles, any of this kind of smaller needles so you're not making big holes in your fabric. A thimble, highly recommended. There's all kinds out there. Play with them, try them out. Thread. This is just a 50 weight cotton. I do recommend going a little lighter weight, and we will talk threads later on. But you're just going to kind of start basting them together. These are in mid-progress, so that's why they're not all connected, but they're kind of fun. All right, so that's all Alchemy is each month you're going to get fabric, you're going to get papers, and we're just going to keep stitching as we go. If you have questions, make sure you reach out to me. You can come by the store, you can call the shop, you can email us at info@quiltingmayhem.com, you can message via Facebook, Instagram, you name it, just reach out, put your hand up, say you need help, we'll gladly help you. But hopefully as we get more tutorials created for you, it will start to make a lot more sense, and you'll just start stitching and hopefully just get right into it and ready for an entire year of fun of putting this quilt together. All right, guys, hope you have a fabulous